Tired aircraft arrive here for controlled recycling and restoration assessment. Each aircraft is evaluated either for parts recovery, material recycling, or potential restoration under strict aviation and environmental standards. Now that we've reviewed the hangar procedures, let's head out to the aircraft yard. Follow me.
Continue straight ahead, slow your roll, and hold position. Confirmed, cut engines. Check system R9er, residual power neutralized.
Confirmed. Disconnecting the main cable now.
Disconnect verified, procedure complete.
Landing gear hydraulics look good.
Confirmed. Moving to the next item, tire pressure.
Did you check the hydraulic levels yet?
Yeah, they're within tolerance. Moving on to the tire pressure now.
The wiring harness looks good, but the connector housing shows minor heat stress.
Confirmed. Documenting as minor heat stress, avionics bay 3.
See how these yellow and red hydraulic lines are chafing right here?
I see it. I'm logging that as a critical failure point.
This harness connection seems loose.
The diagnostic shows an intermittent fault right there.
This panel is good for reuse. Green tag applied.
Scanned. Moving to the access panel for recycling. Yellow tag ready.
Inspection complete on the forward fuselage. All systems nominal.
Documentation uploaded, ready for the next phase.
All right, let's prep the forward section for disassembly procedures. Support locked.
Secured. Proceeding with the torque check on the main gear.
Set the forward support brace now.
And I'll put the safety barriers up around the zone. Almost there. Watching the gauge now. And locked. Hydraulics are safe.
Ready to disconnect the avionics harness.
Hold one moment. This loom needs the yellow tag first, per the diagram.
Okay, it's loose. Engage the lifting fixture.
Lifting fixture engaged. Guiding it down to the cart.
The starboard wing detachment is commencing now. I'm monitoring the crane telemetry. Bolts confirmed loose. Crane operator, begin lowering the engine slowly.
All right, roll that dolly clear.
Lines are disconnected. Installing the safety caps now. Phase 1 complete. These components are cleared for disassembly and transfer to the restoration bay.
Confirmed. The fuselage section is next.
Let's leave this.
Ensure the hydraulics are fully depressurized before accessing this panel. Confirmed. We follow the sequence precisely as outlined.
Okay, applying counter torque now.
Right.
Confirmed loose. Go ahead and pull it free.
Ease the tension, lift synchronized.
Holding steady, coming up 2 degrees.
Clearance confirmed on the port side.
This one goes to refurbishment.
Okay, label applied. Moving to the blue primary line. All right, pull that insulation layer out. Sorting this into the recycling container now.
Surface condition is clean, no scratches or dents.
Confirmed. Meets classification standards. Mark it as accepted. Engine 3 is ready for teardown once we log the inspection results.
I've updated the status in the system. It's good to go.
All right, team, move the scaffolding into position slowly. Left side clear. Right side clear. Locking it down.
This section here is marked for immediate removal. See the red zone.
Copy that. We'll start the detachment sequence as planned.
According to the schematic, the conduit should be right here.
Yeah, I see the connection point now.
Look at these load readings on the starboard stabilizer. It's too high.
We need to adjust the bracing angles immediately or risk structural failure. Route this bundle through the upper guide first.
Okay, securing it with a tie wrap now.
Adjust the jig to align with the laser reference point.
It's set. Tracing the line now. Ensure the tolerance is correct.
All right, bring it down easy. Watch the guides.
Right there, hold it steady.
We need to separate these quickly. What about this winglet here?
That one's good for restoration. I'll put a green tag on it.
Lowering now, watch your clearance. Clear on this side. Keep it coming down slow.
The scanner suggests we can salvage the upper section.
Agreed. The localized corrosion hasn't spread past the rivets.
Operating in harmony, the facility transitions seamlessly from material recovery to final restoration and certification.
Weight is 5.2 kilograms, purity confirmed at 99.9.
Logging the data now.
Confirmed.
All right, bring it over. Easy now, set it down. That's good, secure the load.
With the materials processed and ready for reuse, the focus shifts to final audits, highlighting our environmental impact and industry accountability.
The recycling metrics on page 12 show we are exceeding targets.
Yes, and the restoration logs confirm the material integrity.
As you can see, material recovery targets hit 95% this month.
Environmental compliance is fully...
From this vantage point, we oversee the dismantling yard, where materials are processed efficiently.
We are committed to sustainable aviation, meticulously recycling aircraft to protect the environment while honoring aviation heritage.
Emphasizing safety, engineering responsibility, and the importance of giving retired aircraft a meaningful second life.
Like the video, comment with questions or
Time for reflection, where history moves forward, instilling purpose and trust in the future we build.